Good morning all of you. We have completed up to question number 3 in the last video. Today we will start with question number 4. Okay, how to add the decimal number. So this is addition, question number 4, A number 460.54. We have to add this with 275.25. How to write this first of all? Look at here. Suppose this two number you have to add. Okay, so we will write it. Decimal always comes under the decimal. Decimal के नीचे decimal होना चाहिए. This is very important thing when you are adding any two number or subtracting. Okay. Now this one I have written and this one also. Now add it. 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 2 7. Decimal will be in the decimal place. Now 5 7 plus 6 13. Carry 1 5 6 7. Okay. Suppose three numbers you have to add. This and this. So you have to write properly 11.23, 16.981, 16.98, next is 2.098. What is this here? You have to write the decimal under the decimal. So 11.23, here is 2 digits. So you have this side also 2 digits. So 16.981, there is 3 digits. So doesn't matter, you can write the 3 digit here. There is no digit, you can write in its place 0. Okay. Now 2.098, 2 will be here in this place because decimal के नीचे decimal आना चाहिए. So you have to write the 2 here. Now 098. Now add it. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 8 17 plus 3 20. Okay. 2 carry 9 10 11 12 13. 3 carry 1 7 8 9 10 carry 1 3. 30.309. Got it? Now question number 4. Subtract the following. You have to subtract. So in subtraction also this you have to subtract from this. So this you will write up, this one down. Okay? Similarly all the subtraction, but in subtraction you have to see one thing. You have to write that decimal under the decimal. Subtraction and addition both. Okay? So 60, this from this you have to subtract this. So 60.25 and this one down 52.50. Now 5 minus 0, 5. This is 2 minus 5, not possible. So it will take one borrow. 12 minus 5, 7. Here it will be 9. 9 minus 2, 7. And this will be 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Now question number E I am dealing. Rest of the question you can do. E number 5.675 from this. So 107.17 you will write this one first. Then 5 point just below it you have to write 5 because as I have told you decimal under decimal. 675. Now there is no digit. So you have to write here 0. Now 1 it will take borrow. 10 minus 5 5. It will be 6. 16 minus 7 will be equal to 9. And here it will be 0. So 10 minus 6 4. And here it will be 6. 6 minus 5 1. And 0 1. Okay. Now question number 6. Find the following product. You have to multiply it. Addition, subtraction. Now this is multiplication. So whenever the numbers are in power of 10 or multiples of 10, you have to multiply with any number. Then decimal will shift in the right side. Like there is 10. 2.51 multiplied by 10. So there is 1 0. So 1 point decimal will shift this side. Okay. Similarly, there is 3 0. So decimal will shift 3 digit this side. 1, 2, 3. Here will be the decimal. You can see 2.51 into 10. So 2. This decimal will shift 1 digit here because there is 1 0. So 25.1 is its answer. Okay. You can multiply it like this also. Same answer will come. This is the direct multiplication. This one you can do 0 1 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 1 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2. Now you can see 1 2. After 2 digit you have to put the decimal. So 25.10 or 25.1 both are same thing. You can write 0 also and it is not needed. 25.1 or 25.10 both are same thing. So there is 3 0. Okay. So you have to shift the decimal 3 digit right side. 1 2 3. So decimal will come here. So 0 0 5.2. Okay. 1 2 3. 3 digit decimal shifted this side. This 0 will also be this side. Okay, or you can multiply it like this also. Now question number A, B. Now C I am going to do. If two numbers will be like this, two different numbers. So 0.023, you can write this one first or this one down. Okay, but this time multiplication decimal under decimal is not necessary. Okay, so you can multiply it, writing the decimal numbers, decimal place can be changed. Okay, now you can multiply. 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 11. Now 11 5 0s are 0. Now again 7 3s are 21, 2 will be carry, 7 2s are 14, 15 16, carry 1, 7 0s are 0, so 1. Now 0 to multiplication, all the numbers will be 0. Now I will add it. 5, 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 1 7, 1 0 0. Now how many, after how many digit you will put the decimal? So you have to count the number of digit after the decimal. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 numbers are there, so you have to put the decimal from the right side after 5 digit. 1 2 3 4 5. Put the decimal here. This is the answer. Got it? So all the multiplication you have to do like this only. Find the quotient of the following. In this you have to divide. So division you have to be very careful. You can divide it by cancelling also, or we will divide it like this also. Okay. So there is decimal, so you can remove the decimal. We will get after decimal how many digits are there? 1 2 3. So 3 0 you can put after cancelling it. After cancelling we have 125 by 5000. You can cancel it by the table of 5. 5 1 are 5 0, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 10. Okay, we have got 5 by 200. Again 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. So 1 by 40. 1 by 40, you can again, if you want to write it in decimal form, you can write 1 by 40 as decimal, or you can leave like this also. Okay. Now in decimal, you can divide it simply in decimal form like this. 5000 means after removing the decimal we will get 5000, or above 125. So 125, put one decimal here, we will get 1 0. Again it is smaller, so you can put one more 0 by placing 1 0 here. Now 5000 2 times 10,000. Then again 2500 is less than this, so you will put one more 0 because we have already taken the decimal. Now 5000 5 times 25,000. So we will get the answer 0.025. 0.025. And here after cancelling we have got 1 by 40. So 1 by 40 you can divide it. So one more 0, 100, 42 times 80, we'll get here 2. So 20. Then 5 4s are 20. One more decimal. Decimal is there already, so you can put one more 0. Now 5 times. Okay. You will do it by this method or by this method. Any method you can apply as you wish. Okay. Now 295.6 divided by 100. Whenever the division will be divisor will be the 10 or multiple of 10, higher power of 10, division is very simple. This decimal will shift left side. Okay, as we were doing the multiplication, the decimal I have told you it will shift right side, that many digit which is given in the 0, like 10 or multiples of 10. There is 1 0, so decimal will shift after 1 digit. There is 3 0, so decimal will shift 1 2 3 digit right side. But in division case, decimal will shift left side 1 2 0. So decimal will come here. It will come 2.956. 1 2 digit left side. Okay, you can write it directly or you can divide it also. So to divide, you can remove the decimal. It will come 1000. So with 1000, 2956 you can do. 1000 2 times 2000. 956. You can put one decimal here. 9005, 9 times 9000. Then again 560. One more 0. 5 times 5000. Then 600. Then 1 0. 6 times 6000. 2.956. In this manner also answer can come, or in this way also. Okay, now question number 8. Rest of the question you have to try. Any doubt you can ask. Now question number 8, simplification. You have to apply the BODMAS rule here. First addition, then subtraction. Okay. Here also first multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Similarly in all the questions, BODMAS, division comes first. Okay, DMAS rule you have to apply because there is no bracket. So DMAS you can say. Now question number 8, A number. This plus this minus this. So addition comes first. So plus plus plus. You will add this 2. We will get 20.93. Now minus this. So you will subtract this 2. We will get this. Okay. Now in this you have to multiply first. So we will multiply. Decimal will shift here. So you will get 1 digit after the decimal. Now this one will be as it is. Now you have to add this 2. So after addition we have got this. Now minus this one. We will get this as a answer. So in simplification you have to apply the BODMAS rule. Okay. So I hope you can do rest of the question. Any doubt, ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Complete this exercise 3.1. We will start exercise 3.2 in the next video.